Hello everybody. I am revamping my channel and everything. I have not posted a video like I think in years. And it's just kind of time. I've been doing cloth diaper stuff for a while, and like I make Instagram posts and stuff, but I never make videos, so I thought now is time. I'm going to stop being shy and just do it. So today I have a box from Diaper Depot, and actually in this box is a prize that I got for my picture for Diaper Depot Pick My Pick, which I will try to leave like a thing in the description box what's Diaper Depot Pick My Pick. But every week we have like a photo contest where they give you a theme and then you can enter to win like from that theme, and then you can, in the end of the month, there's 4 winners or 5 depending how many weeks there are, and they'll choose one person. They get to like choose a prize from the shop that's up to $25. So yeah, I won that last one for the 1 month, and yeah, pretty exciting. But also I have one package here from Nikki's Diapers, which yeah well, that's another video, but let's get into this because I'm super excited. I don't like opening packages. I mean, I like to open them, but I don't like to pull them open, you know? So, my first thing I see here is my prize. Ooh! My jelly cat. So this is what I chose because we have the Wiggity phone and the Wiggity camera, and now we have the Wiggity boombox. Yeah, isn't it so cute? And jelly cats are, I think, my favorite stuffed animals, and they have like, some of them have this kind of stuff, but most of them are just really soft. But they have rabbits and octopus and all kinds of everything, and they even have vegetables. So I have a carrot, and this guy is a leek, and they're in the vivacious line. They also have fruits. I have broccoli too, but they have watermelon and strawberry and lemon, like all kinds of things, all kinds. But I collect the vegetables, and I really like also the wiggity ones because they make noise. Okay, and then in here also we have another package because they're so great at packaging very nicely. And this, I'm so excited. This was a fast fingers release. You had to be very quick. I think this was sold out everywhere within like 2 minutes, but I was able to get some things that I really wanted. So this is a LaLaBye bib, and it has a little pocket in here to catch the food. This print is called Little Sugar, and the blue is called Bluebells. Let's see. I think the print is super cute. I'm more excited about the diaper placement. But yes, this one is called LaLaBye. And then this is my Quick Trip wet dry bag. So I like these a lot because when we go out places, I don't have to bring like a big diaper bag or something. I just in the front zipper you can keep your dry diapers and some wipes. And then there's a second zipper here to put dirty diapers after baby soils them. Yes, so cute. Oh my gosh. I love the little apron and like muffins. And is there a standing mixer here? And there's a hand mixer. I'm surprised there's no standing mixer, but there's a food scale and cookies. This print is so cute. Okay, yes, that one is called the Quick Trip. And then Juju likes to have these little mini wet bags. I don't remember what this one is called. It's called the Biddy wet bag. And he will, if we go outside, he will take a little pacifier and like Hot Wheels car or something, and he will put it in here, and then you can snap it onto the grocery cart or something like that you need to go, and Juju is smart. He figured out how to unzip it and put his things in here, instead of when he doesn't want it, just throwing it out of the grocery cart again. But yes, very, very cute, this guy. Oh, I think there's more than one apron. Oh yeah, okay. There's a blue one and this red one. Oh, I feel like this is gonna be the print. Like every time I look at it, I'm going to find something new. Okay. So, and then I got two of these. I got this bum placement. And these are the all-in-2 diapers. And LaLaBye is so nice because they have these rainbow snaps. And then, like, they have the crossover snaps too. So when baby Stinky's in the diaper, you can just roll it up like this, pull the one side, and then take this side and snap it together like that, and then throw it in the wet bag. The diapers that don't have the crossover snaps, you just have to like kind of try to fold it up and put it in there and hope that it stays closed, and that when you reach in to pull it out, there's not like poopy smeared inside of the whole wet bag. But oh my gosh, the rainbow snaps on this one are just so cute with the print too. Oh, so pretty. Okay. And this is my last all-in-2, or my last thing from Diaper Depot. But I actually requested a print placement on the bum because I wanted to have a upright sugar container. And I really like this one because they have, oh, there's a standing mixer. Ha! Okay. Yeah, but I like the little stack of bowls, and there's a timer, cupcake, muffins. There's just so much, so many things on this print. What is this? Cookies. There's, oh my gosh, there's little macarons. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, so that's that one. Oh, I forgot to mention. Okay, so with all-in-2 diapers, these actually come with inserts. So this is the bamboo inserts. They're like a terry cloth, kind of like softer than a bath towel, but a little bit similar, if you know what I mean. And so with all-in-2, you can just unsnap. What I do, because there's a snap on both sides, is I actually take this smaller one because I have a boy and he pees a lot. So I fold the small one down, and then I fold this one back up, and then I stuff it into the pocket like this, but from the other way because I want the double in the front. but then I stuff it inside the pocket because this is like micro suede, and it will help to wick away pee from your baby's bottom so that they don't get, what do they call it, swamp crotch, something like that, like they don't get wetness sensitivity. Yeah, I don't know all the correct terms for it, but the my baby doesn't like to be wet at all, and so like his skin will get red if he's even a little bit wet. So we like to use liners and everything on any of our natural inserts or flat diapers or anything like that, because he will get a rash if we don't use stay dry of anything. So there's that. And then we have the one from Nikki's. And I only ordered this from Nikki's because it was already sold out from Diaper Depot. But it's still exciting for me because this is my first one from LaLaBye, the LaLaBye newborn diaper. And there's that standing mixer. So why did I get a newborn diaper? I'm not pregnant, but we have been very much opening the conversation about our next baby. So I wanted this print for next baby very much. So we got a newborn. The newborn only comes with the one insert because newborns don't usually wet as heavy, but it still has the pocket that you can stuff, and then it has another opening in the front so you can stuff from, no it doesn't, just kidding. So this does not have a second opening like the All-In 2. This is just one opening, so you would have to stuff from the back. But the good thing about that pocket is you can add extra absorbency. So this tummy panel here is like my favorite thing ever in a diaper, because my favorite brand of diapers is Rumparoos, and they don't have the tummy panel. So when I use the diaper covers or anything, if Juju floods the diaper, which means like he pees really quickly, it will just go up onto his shirt. And the little, like with Rumparoos, you have this, it's not micro suede, but it's micro fleece. And so this kind of sticks out just a tiny bit on the front of the diaper. And it just, since it wicks pee, it just wicks it right onto the shirt. And that's so sad because Rumparoos are just, they're my favorite diapers ever. But it just, I get so many leaks sometimes because of that. There's no tummy panel, and it's not Rumparoo's fault. Juju just, he holds it and holds it and holds it. He's 17 months old now, so he just, when he goes, he just and floods the whole diaper. So very sad. My Rumparoos are not working the best for us anymore, but yes. Anyways, this is my little haul, and I'm very excited to share more diaper things with you guys in the future. Oh, okay, I have one more little thing for you guys. Well, not for you guys, to show you guys. And this is baby leggings from Nikki's Diapers too. So a lot of the times with cloth diapers, I don't like to change the pants and put the pants on, and sometimes pants just don't fit very well over cloth diapers, but leggings don't even have to be taken off when you change the diaper. You just put them on your baby's legs, and you can have them run around naked. Otherwise, these are great for crawling, for if your baby has allergies and wants to go outside. So my baby has very, very bad allergies. He's allergic to grass. He's just allergic to life, basically, in general. And he, yeah, he just, poor baby. But he wants to go outside. He wants to get in the grass and walk around. So leggings are very good for him. And they're just really cute. They work really well. And yes, so these ones from Nikki's Diapers. Let's see. I don't know about the quality. I'll have to get back to you on that because I have one pair from, I think, Imagine Baby and one pair from Baby Legs. And I don't know how the quality of these is going to hold up, but they do seem to be bigger, which is a-okay because Juju's a big boy. He is a 17-month-old trapped in a 3-year-old's body, and it gets difficult to clothe him sometimes. But yes, these are my baby leggings. The print is Little Dipper. Yes, Little Dipper. Okay, that is my haul now. Thank you for watching. I can't believe this is already 16 minutes long, but if you stuck around for the whole thing, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell button so you will get notifications next time I make a video, which hopefully will be soon. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.